Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, today we got a little flat tire. Fortunately, it was right in a parking lot, and we're going to talk about putting a little donut on. I'm going to flip the picture. There is the little donut wheel, which is a temporary wheel. They don't like to put full-size wheels in spare tires in cars anymore. The most important thing about putting a donut on is it's important, of course, to torque the little nuts to the proper torque. But you'll see there's a yellow warning sticker on there. That shows a maximum speed of 50 miles an hour or 80 kilometers an hour up here in Canada. You don't want to exceed those speeds with that little donut. Again, it should only be on for a couple of days until you get a proper tire done. But a little bit of information. If you like what you've heard, press like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.